Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Cook with Sana Kuram. This is Sana. Today I'm going to share with you all a South Indian delicacy, raw mango pachadi, made with the tangy and flavorful raw mangoes. Friends, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do it right away and enable the bell icon to get notifications of my new uploads. Now come, let's get on to the recipe. For making raw mango pachadi, I have taken 400 grams of raw mangoes, dice them into medium sized squares with the skin on. Don't remove the skin and keep them aside. Now take a pan and add 3 tablespoons of oil. And once the oil gets heated, reduce the flame and add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds and 1 teaspoon of Bengal gram dal and half a teaspoon of split urad dal and let them splutter. Now add quarter teaspoon of fenugreek seeds or methi seeds. Just fry them till they turn golden brown. Now add 3 red chillies. I'm going to just use 1 chilli now. I'm going to reserve the rest of the chillies for the final tempering. Now add some curry leaves and temper them. And now completely reduce the flame and add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Because the moment you add the turmeric powder, simmer the stove, otherwise it will get burnt, the color will change. And add the diced mangoes and mix thoroughly so that the turmeric powder gets coated with the mangoes, and cook over medium flame for 1 minute without adding water. Now to this add 3/4 teaspoon of salt and cook over a slow flame. Never cook over a high flame. To this add asafoetida powder, a pinch, and cook for some time. Now to this add 1 cup of water. Now you can increase the flame and you can cook the raw mangoes till they turn soft, and you can cook for about 10 minutes and cover it properly and cook. The mango should turn soft, but the skin should be intact with the flesh and should not fall off the skin. This is powdered jaggery without impurities. I'm using this brand. Now add 1/3 cup of powdered jaggery because it's almost 3/4 done. You need not make the jaggery syrup. You can directly add this powder. Simmer the stove and keep stirring gently. The jaggery powder will melt and leave some water, and you will have to cook till you get that thick syrup consistency. Now the mangoes have been cooked perfectly soft and they have been coated well with the jaggery. Now it's time for the final tempering. Now take a pan and add 1 tablespoon of oil. I've used sunflower oil for this recipe. To this add quarter teaspoon of mustard seeds followed by quarter teaspoon of split urad dal and the reserved red chillies and the curry leaves, and temper it and add them to the cooked pachadi for that extra fresh flavor. Now a super easy, ultimately delicious, sweet and tangy raw mango pachadi is ready to be served. You can enjoy this as a side dish for sambar rice, curd rice or any variety rice. If they turn dry, you can add 1 or 2 tablespoons of water and heat for about 10 to 15 seconds. The hardened jaggery will melt again and give you the perfect consistency. Friends, please give this recipe a shot and I'm sure you will fall in love with this. If you like this recipe and my video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, enable the bell icon and share it with your family and friends. Meet you all in my next upload. Till then, this is Sana signing off with lots of love.